In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy Q smartphone. Okay, so open the keyboard. Now what you have to do is you have to press and hold down the T button and the power button at the same time until you see the Android recovery screen appear. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to hold down the T button and the power button at the same time. Okay, now let go of the buttons. Now the next thing you need to do, using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now press the Home button. Using the volume down button, go to Delete All User Data. Press the Home button. Press the Home button. And there you go. The hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.